Selling houses on Amazon FBA isn't possible, as Amazon FBA is designed for physical product sales, not real estate. FBA is used for shipping and handling physical goods sold through Amazon, but it cannot be used for selling real estate. For selling houses, you would typically use real estate platforms, local real estate agencies, or specialized websites for property listings. Here's how you might approach selling real estate. Choose a platform. List your property on real estate platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, or local MLS listings. These platforms are designed specifically for real estate transactions. Prepare your property. Ensure the property is in good condition. Consider making minor repairs or improvements to enhance its appeal. Create a compelling listing. Provide detailed information about the property, including photos, descriptions, and key features. Highlight unique selling points and include high-quality images. Market the property. Use social media, real estate websites, and local advertising to reach potential buyers. Consider working with a real estate agent to help market and sell the property. Handle offers and negotiations. Review offers, negotiate terms, and work with legal professionals to complete the sale.